Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Beauty by Faye. My name is Fawani and today I am going to be putting in some clip-ins in my hair. This will be a quick and easy style for everyday use. So guys, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being with me through all this time. I just want to show you guys how the packaging looks. So it looks like this, and it has it shows you like you can go from short hair to long hair, and it shows you on the bottom here that you can actually braid your hair, which I did this time. And this side you can actually leave your hair out and clip them into your hair without braiding your hair. So I already braided my hair, so I am going to go ahead. My hair is natural, so I'm going to be using some Tresemme Professional flat iron spray in my hair, and I'm going to just spray down my hair like that. So I have this tool that I'm using, and I'm going to just use this to blow out my hair. So this is how it looks. So this is how the hair looks. So it has I think 4 3-inch wefts, 1 7-inch, 1 10-inch, and 1 12-inch. And this is the color. The color is so pretty. Alright guys, so this is how the wefts look. They have these clips attached to them, and you just have to clip this into your hair. And this is supposed to be 100% premium human hair blend. So it's not exactly human hair, but you are supposed to be able to flat iron it or curl it if you wish. I'm not planning to actually curl this because my hair is natural, so I want it to look as natural as possible. So this is how it looks so far. Oh my gosh, it looks so natural. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using some of this Eco Styling Gel for my edges. So this is how the hair turned out. I am so pleased with it. It's like, look at this texture and look at my hair texture. Oh my gosh, guys, for $32 and change, you cannot go wrong. This is so easy. You can take it out at night. So I literally installed this here in less than 20 minutes. Can you believe that? And it looks like I spent like almost 2 hours in a chair fixing my hair, right? It looks like it's a weave. I love it. I cannot wait to rock this hair. Oh my gosh. Anyways guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you all for watching. If you've made it to the end of the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. And remember, always put your best self forward, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.